Did you know robots are already harvesting our crops, planting seeds, and even monitoring fields right now? Welcome to another exciting episode of Robots Helping Humans. In this episode, we're diving into the world of agriculture to explore how amazing innovations in robotics technology are transforming the way we grow our food. Picture this: a vast field basking under the golden sun, a gentle breeze rustling through the rows of crops. Among these rows, you spot something unusual: a fleet of sleek, metallic machines quietly tending to the crops. These aren't your typical farmhands. They're intelligent agricultural robots, and they're here to revolutionize farming as we know it. Let's introduce you to AgriBot, a new generation of farming robots designed to assist with various farm tasks. AgriBot's primary goal is to increase crop yield while reducing environmental impact. What makes AgriBot truly fascinating is its ability to perform precise tasks with incredible efficiency. Imagine AgriBot as a modern-day superhero, equipped with advanced sensors that allow it to evaluate soil health, analyze plant vitality, and detect pest invasions with pinpoint accuracy. It uses this data to take actions that optimize the farming process, planting seeds at the perfect depth and spacing, applying the right amount of fertilizer only where needed, and even weeding the field autonomously without harming the crops. Let's take a virtual journey to a farm in California where AgriBot is hard at work. In this sun-drenched expanse of lettuce and tomatoes, AgriBot is tirelessly working from dawn till dusk. It identifies any weeds attempting to invade the rich soil and surgically removes them with its laser-equipped arms, leaving the crops unharmed. Now, meet farmer Joe. He's been working these fields for decades, using traditional methods. At first, he was skeptical about allowing robots to assist with farm work, feeling that no machine could replace the intuition developed over years of farming. However, Joe decided to give AgriBot a try. Today, he marvels at how his fields yield more crops with less waste, and even more remarkably, how much time and physical effort he's able to save. The benefits extend beyond increased productivity. AgriBot helps reduce the environmental footprint of agriculture by minimizing the overuse of fertilizers and pesticides, leading to a more sustainable method of food production. By using less water and ensuring every drop nourishes the plants, AgriBot contributes to more efficient water utilization in drought-prone areas. Farmer Joe's story is one of many, as farms worldwide start to integrate robotic technology into their operations, reaping the rewards of cleaner, greener farming. So, what does this all mean for the future? Robotics in agriculture is paving the way for a new era of smart farming. The ability to navigate fields with precision and make real-time decisions based on in-depth data analysis creates enormous potential for advancements in crop management and environmental conservation. Our fascination with technology takes root in our need to solve real-world problems, and agricultural robotics is a testament to human innovation. Each robot, like AgriBot, is a step closer towards a fully integrated digital farm, promising a future where our harvests are abundant, our environment is protected, and our farmers can focus on what they do best: cultivating the land. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to learn more about robots making a difference today.